Hello everyone and welcome to Nancy's Magic Touch and DIYs. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome, and if it's not, thank you so much for coming back. In today's video, I'm transforming 3 very easy thrift store items. So let's get started. I found this cake pan at the thrift store and I thought it was super cute, and these are the perfect items when you want to create farmhouse decor, which is what I'm doing today. So I'm gonna use this for a project, and the first thing I'm doing is taking one little wooden tag that I have on hand. It's already stained from previous project. So what I'm going to do with this is take a stack of stamps that I have, and these are letters, and what I'm going to do with this is spell the word yum, and using an acrylic block I am going to apply this to my little tag. The block that I'm using is quite neat because it does have a grill on it, so it really helps you put your letters straight if you want to put them straight. So if you do buy acrylic blocks for stamping, I do recommend having one of these on hand. Now I'm just using chalk paint because this is what I have close by, but you could use acrylic paint or you can use ink as well for this project. But I'm simply going to put the paint with a small brush on the stamp, and then I'm going to stamp this onto my little tag. Whenever I do stamping on a flat surface, I always put a sponge on the bottom because it really helps you to get a better stamping. As you put the pressure, the cushioning allows you to stamp better, if that makes sense. The stamp worked really good, but I want the word yum to be a bit brighter, so I'm taking a small paintbrush and painting over it. When I'm done with my stamping, I make sure that I wash them really well before I store them away. I'm taking some jute rope and I'm going to place that around the top part of the pan. It has this little groove on the top part of the pan and it fits perfectly. So I'm going to go ahead and go around, tie into a knot up front, and apply my tag with a bow. I'm going to secure this little tag in place with a little bit of hot glue. This is just optional. You don't really have to do that, but I would like mine to stay sideways, so I'm gonna glue it to the pan. I know that my cake pan is upside down, and the reason being is because I found this beautiful cloche at the thrift store, and it actually fits perfectly on top of this cake pan. There is this little elevated trim on the top of this cake pan here, and it actually secures this cloche perfectly. And here is the final product displayed. And how cute is this cloche? This is the perfect look for a farmhouse decor. I found this little rooster planter. I thought it was super cute. The flower is broken off of it, so I'm going to remove this piece of metal that is sticking out. And I want to create the same kind of look as the cloche that I just did. So I want something in the silver tone. So in order to create that, I'm going to use my Rough and Buff in black and silver. And the first thing I'm doing is applying the black color all over the rooster. And I'm just using an old rag to apply it. I switched to a sponge brush as it makes it easier to get into the crease of the piece. Now I'm done with the black. I'm using some silver, and I'm using a very little amount of this at a time. And I'm just going to rub this all over this rooster. And I'm going to dab it to make sure that I cover some of the red that was underneath. I just want to make sure that none of that is showing, and you can apply as much or as little as you want for the look. And just a little dab of this product goes a very, very long way. You really need just a little bit to create this project. And I love mixing the two tones together, as it makes it, I found, a little bit more rustic. And here is my little rooster all completed. I put some beautiful greeneries inside of it. And this is so cute for a farmhouse decor. I absolutely love it. I found this old strainer. It looks very old, and I thought it was super nice and farmhouse looking. And I also grabbed one of these candle holders in black. So I'm going to remove this tag and give this a little wipe. Whenever I place a candle holder on the bottom of a piece, I always like to flip the piece upside down because it makes it easier for me to see the center of the piece rather than guessing from the top. I found this cloche and I thought it was super cute. I really don't like the top of this cloche as it's plastic and all scratched, but the bottom piece is perfect. So I'm flipping it upside down and I got myself one of these beautiful black handle, and I'm going to place that on the top of this cloche bottom part to create myself a cover. So the first thing I'm doing is place that in the middle. And I'm using my drill to pre-drill some holes to make sure that I'm not splitting my wood piece. I just want to play it safe with this one. And now I'm just putting my screws in place. Now on the bottom of this piece, which would have been the top of the cloche piece, this rim fits this strainer perfectly, so it creates the perfect cover for this piece. Now this piece is completed and beautiful. This is for my onions and my garlic. Rather than have an ugly container, now I have a beautiful piece to put on my counter and have easy access to my onions and garlic. You can also beautify it with some greeneries and wooden beads and use it as a beautiful farmhouse home decor. Well, that's it for this video, folks. I hope you enjoyed these 3 farmhouse project. I absolutely love them. They were so easy to create. If you like this video, please give me the big thumbs up. You know I want to hear all your comments down below, and of course I want to know which one of the 3 is your favorite. And if you like this video and haven't had a chance to subscribe to my channel, well, right now is a perfect day to hit that subscribe button. So until next time, folks, you have yourself a wonderful day.